What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. We up and at it early in the morning, man. On the road, cause I'm headed to go pick up the new car. I'm headed to go pick up the new car, man. Now, spoiler alert, I ain't showing y'all the car in the vlog, man. I got something else to tell y'all stuff too. But we going to get it or whatever y'all see. I got the trailer all hooked up. Finally, I told y'all, man, I found something, so I'm finna go get it and make it happen and get it back to the house. I just got a lot shaking today, which is why, I mean, I ain't gonna be able to formally show y'all, so I don't want to do it. I know how I want to do it, but I got to train somebody, one of my people, for filming, about to start filming with me or whatever on my other channel. So I got time right now cause in the morning. But I'm finna roll, man. Then after that, I hope I remember to turn the camera on and all this stuff, man. But you know, we ready to roll, man. So we finna hit this road, take this journey, and turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in. So look, I got back, man. It been busy, super busy day, man. Super busy day. But the pack has been acquired. I got it. I said I got something I want to do. Before I show y'all, that's the main reason I don't want to show y'all right now. But I'm trying to just let y'all know in real time, man, what's going on instead of holding off and letting y'all know. I know that probably killing y'all like, Jay, why you doing it like this? But I just got stuff in my mind. I like to do it a certain way. It have to be perfect. But I'm going to turn y'all back on because I got some more stuff to holler at y'all about. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, look. So time to pass by. Like I said, man, it been a busy day. It been a busy day, but look, the whole point. Oh, glory. What is it? Oh, but the whole point, like I said, I picked the car up. I ain't finna show y'all yet, man. I said spoiler alert. Like, hey, you ain't have to look at the whole vlog, man. You don't see it. But the whole point of this anyway, man, I want to show y'all what I picked up for Wifey. But if you already saw her video, then you ought to see it. You should have seen it already, man. See what I grabbed for Wifey. Couple days back. It's slow motion bringing it out here. Oh, I don't put the battery in? Nah, you ain't gotta do all that. Slow motion, boy. Her name Juvenile, slow motion for me. See up here. But yeah, I want y'all to see what I had got for her, man. I'm gonna show y'all the car, man. Let me see. While y'all looking at this. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow, y'all. I promise, y'all gonna see the car. And I knew, I knew by the time I got finished doing everything I'm doing, the sun was gonna be gone, which it is. And I don't want to show the car like that. I want bright and sunny. I told you I want to show it how I want to show it. Cause soon as we got back, man, I unloaded it. We had to leave again. Now we worked out. Soon as we worked out, we had to go, man, cause it was business. It part of the business. We had to handle that, and we just now getting back. So I'm like, nah, I'm not finna show. But what you doing? You gotta come over here. You know, it's top secret. She trying to get y'all to see it already.
You not forget.
Yeah, you did come by, Blade. She still have food in my teeth.
Yeah,
anyway,
my new teeth. I mean my new
Look, she said tea. Look at it. Look at what I picked up.
Toy.
Look at what I picked up, man. She gonna be a thumbnail. Ping. Nah, I can't get a thumbnail. But yeah, man, this the Traxxas slash 4x4, and she already done flipped that joke 1,000 times. A lot of fun, y'all. A lot of fun. Flipped that joke 1,000 times. Y'all got to bring it back. You keep trying to.
Oh,
you keep trying to.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, she trying to show the new ride.
See, it ain't got no scratch, nothing like that. Nothing flipped over a lot.
Y'all got to see her video, boy. Hey, you got to see that. Hey, look, don't be surprised if y'all see me get a new pickup. Cause I slick like that. And somebody said, Jay, you need to get an off-road one. If you gonna have one, Jay, somebody said I need to at least have two. My drag race and the off-road. That's all I'm end up with, cause I got too many toys already. But that thing fun, man. Yeah. Y'all got to see her driving video. That thing, they're fun. So she finally got one. So I picked that up for her, man. I want y'all to see it. But if you subscribe to her channel, Days with Kendra, then you already saw it. You already saw it, man. So a big shout out to everybody that subscribed, man, and be showing Wifey love and all that to her channel and stuff. But it been a busy day. That's why I said I wasn't trying to stretch all out. I don't clickbait y'all. I don't do none of that stuff. But I just knew the day wasn't going to be perfect to show the car call. The sun was going to be gone. We've been busy all day. Like, I'm tired. I'm tired, man. And then got to go. One of my guys at the track film, I had to handle some stuff with that. It been one of them days. Been one of them days. That's why I went and said, for spoiler alert, I wasn't even going to try to make nobody stretch out. People thinking that they going to see the car. Because I did put the title there, hey, I picked my car up. But y'all going to know when I show y'all the car, because you know I'm going to put that big black bubble on it. Then you have to, hey, you're going to have to just wait. But just know, after this vlog, I promise y'all going to see it. Y'all going to see the car. I'm going to show y'all what it is and all of that. And, yeah, man, that thing did good, man. We got another one in the fleet. I'm happy, man. I got, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 now. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we got 6, man. I got 6 in the fleet. When Wifey got her money color. We got the BCG Pro mod. So man, boy, I've been on the road, man. I've been on the road, boy. They just let y'all know how much I pour into my business, man. We cashed out about all the parts for Meech last month. And we bought the BCG Pro mod. Bought a car last month. Bought a car this month. Cause I got put in that mode, man. Rick Rock Car Show put me in that mode, man. I'm finna go crazy. And wait till y'all see, boy, what I got planned. What I got planned for the new one, man. It's gonna be crazy. Ain't gonna be fast. I'm about to go in the house and order some stuff right now. I'm about to order some stuff right now, man. I'm about to order some stuff. I'm about to make some move, man. The car gonna get gone for a second. Quick second. Get gone and come back. But yeah, we roll. See, we rolling, man. We rolling with it. All y'all can say, stay tuned, man. We're gonna after this one, man, we're going to the action. Cause R&B about to get gone. Dolo engine should be coming back. Let me see when y'all watching this. Let me think. At the time y'all looking at this, Dolo engine should be either touchdown or it'll be just now touching. It'll be touching down day after this. So y'all just know when Dolo come back, boy, it's smoke in the city, man. When Dolo come back, it's on and popping. Hopefully brown coat get touched up and fixed that week. Cause I missed that truck, man. I ain't drove it. I ain't got a chance to drive it, man. And when I don't drive one in a long time, I do, man. I miss driving it. So hopefully we get that rolling too. But we got the new one too, like I said, and we finna roll with it. So yeah, man. Y'all, one more vlog, y'all gonna see it, man. But like I said, y'all go drop the comments on Wifey video, man. Let her know how y'all liking the new toy she got, man. Now both of us got some RC cars, so we're gonna make that happen too this week. We're gonna race. She been talking junk already, so we gonna race. I told her little car I said it ain't enough, man. You better stay off there, over there in the grass and the dirt where it's safe. You better not come on the concrete and asphalt, that concrete jungle. I said, hey, you better not come out here. So we gonna race, man. We might do that tomorrow. I'm gonna tell her, come on, I'm gonna tell her get down or lay down tomorrow. Yeah, we gonna do that. So just know that RC race coming out. We gonna do that tomorrow, man. Wife gonna have to get down and lay down. Best out of 3. So yeah, man, that's it. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.